This episode of Co-op is brought to you by GoDaddy.com, Netflix, and Squarespace.
Alright, so here's my RoboBank. I stuff change in this little guy every once in a while, and I save it for a rainy day. But yeah, just found out that there's over 40 bucks in this thing, and I'm gonna go see what I could spend $40 and change on.
Something.
Now you're gonna get lunch.
Oh, dude, you should totally spend your change on some of this, dude. This is awesome.
Oh. How much for the luchador? $20. Alright, we good? Oh, yeah, you want to get filled up. I just done got filled up. Game sucks ass, by the way.
Watching this show, man, it kind of freaked me out because they had these midgets. Dude, Asian movies. Well, I hate to see this start.
What?
If you want to make an impact online, GoDaddy.com has what you need. .com names as low as $1.99, plus world-class hosting, fast and easy website builders, and much more. Plus, enter code CO6 when you check out and save an additional 20% off of 1, 2, or 3-year hosting plan. Some restrictions apply. See site for details and get your piece of the internet at GoDaddy.com.
She's got me spinning.
Oh my god, no way!
Spending all my money on me and spending time on me. She's got me spending. Hey, sister, soul, sister, go, sister, go, sister. Hey, sister, go, sister, go, sister. Mocha chocolate, da, da, da. Real baby, not enough. Come on.
Hello.
Love me, baby. And I said, hey, hey. I said, hey.
Urine emergency.
Oh, fighter of the night, man. Oh, champion of the sun. You're a master of karate and friendship. Everyone, amen. Oh.
you suck. Fuck you.
You suck. I just died.
What are you playing? I gotta go.
Jason, what? I'm dying right now. Right now. I'm.
Fuck off, huh? Yes, what? Come on. What the dude, I just fucking died. You fucking motherfucker. What'd you find? I swear to God, I'm gonna stuff you in my ass and shit you out.
Left to left.
God damn it. Oh, fuck.
Dude.
Oh, Jesus.
You.
Not let me die again. Because I'm gonna break your little ass and fucking kill you, okay? Yeah. Good roommate, you know?
Try.
Pay your bills and shit. Great.
Fire.
You had me at hello.
Ow.
What are you doing?
No.
Dude, let me, come on. Don't take all my chips.
Dude,
Come on, dude.
Huh? Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Yeah.
Jason, you gotta. I can't. Jason, this.
Okay.
I
did. See ya. See ya later.
And I'm dead.
I'd like to know that.
Awesome. Thanks, man. That was a lot of fun.
This next segment is brought to you by Netflix. With Netflix, you can rent over 90,000 titles online, including lots of Blu-rays, with free shipping both ways to your home. They now have over 40 shipping centers, so almost all deliveries happen in just one business day. The Netflix plans start from $4.99. As a new member, you can get a no-risk 2-week free trial membership. Check it out at www.netflix.com/coop. That's /COOP. Everybody always forgets the dash. That's coop, not co-op. Anyway, use that code, and don't forget the www or it doesn't work.
I don't know, guys. I don't know if I can make this.
Yeah, dude, you got this. Fucking kill it, dude. Do it.
All right.
Do it.
Gotta fucking just try it.
Fucking do that shit.
All right. Here we go. Going.
Yeah. Yeah.
Help down here. Friend broken face.
What if life was like Squarespace?
Squarespace is a publishing system for anyone looking to build a blog, portfolio, or any kind of website. Squarespace offers a uniquely flexible tool for just about anyone, no coding experience required, to build high-end, complex websites with the same functionality and uniqueness that you find on some of the highest traffic pages on the web. Good taste not included. Sign up today and use promo code COOP.
I'm tough, I'm like a ninja, but when the pirates come in hordes, that's when I